Let's take a look at string bending. For now we'll focus on bending just on strings 1, 2 and 3, but we of course need to do it across all 6 strings. Strings have got a lot of tension on them, so bending with one finger is kind of challenging. Let's start with this D note here, the 7th fret of the 3rd string. So the technique is going to be that the neck is going to sit in this part of my hand here, like this, with my fingers on a slight angle to the neck, and then I'm going to bring fingers 1, 2 and 3 onto the 3rd string, 3rd finger squeezing down on the fret number 7, and these 3 fingers all helping to push the string up. Now it's not a finger motion, it's more of a whole hand rotation, squeezing and rotating with a little bit of pushing by the fingers. Alright, so now we kind of know the technique, we need to try and learn a few different types of bends and bend accuracy. Usually our bend will be either a semitone or a tone bend, and on music notation that'll say half or full. So half means we're bending a half step or a semitone above the fretted note. So half step bend, I want to make the 7th fret sound like the 8th fret. So play my target note so I can hear what it sounds like, and I'll stop when I get to my target. A full bend means that this note needs to sound like the note 2 frets higher. Okay, so our main kind of bends are going to be the bend and release, and the pre-bend and the pre-bend and release. The pre-bend and the pre-bend and release are the most challenging ones because you can't hear the note. You've just got to hope that you get the right target note. So practice those bend types on string 3. String 2, I'm going to go up to the 8th fret, and string 1. Playing the target note and trying to reach that note. It's also a good idea to practice bending with your other fingers. Once again, if we're using finger 2, 3 or 4, use other fingers to help push the string, because there's a lot of tension on those strings. First finger, you can bend with the first finger, but of course there's no other fingers to help here, so it's a bit more challenging.